Hi, Kev. I watched your videos regarding trademark register or copyright registration, rather. Thank you. Just a quick question. I was uploading 10 of previously unpublished work. It's just 2D art in the visual arts category. And when I got to the final page where I was to upload the work, I thought it was going to be uploaded the artwork one at a time for all 10. Um, but it seems as because it said the title of just the first one, upload the artwork, and so I thought it was going to go through. Anyway, it I uploaded the artwork for just the first of the 10, and then click submit, and realized that I've now submitted the whole application, but it doesn't have the images for the other 9 in that collection. So I'm wondering what my options are. I don't see any information on their website, and yeah, I'm wondering if there's a possibility to go back into the application. I've clicked on, it does say that there's an open case now, and I've clicked in, and it's just on a clock. It's not letting me in yet. So if you know in your experience, if we can go back in after we've submitted, if we can add the additional photos, that would be great. Thanks for your help.
Hey, Leanne, so sorry to hear about your little snafu in the copyright registration system. There are specific requirements for how you need to title and how you the files and everything for a group of unpublished works. Number one, I would make sure that you followed all of those step-by-step instructions. And if you aren't aware of what they are, we do cover exactly how to do all of that and what the requirements are in the copyright registration course. But to your particular snafu, what I would do is call the Copyright Office Public Information Officer, which I've got their phone number right here. So the Public Information Office for the Copyright Office is toll-free 1-877-476-0778, and that's the Copyright Public Information Office. And I would, when I call them, make sure that you have the number that is associated with your application, and I would tell them what happened and see if they can do anything. They might tell you you're SOL, but that would be the only idea that I would have of how to try to get that application back open so that you can continue to upload the other 9 works, or up to 9 works that you were trying to register on the application. So that would be my suggestion. Hopefully it will work. And again, for future applications, if you've got questions about how to do that, we go through step by step each different kind of application type that you can register in that course. Good luck! Talk to you soon. Bye.